Guys, all of you, you were wrong. Yes, I'm talking to people who last year said that the market is going to crash, that there will be more and more homes to choose from this year, and that the prices are going to go down. The proof is in the pudding, and I'm going to give it to you right now. You were wrong. This table shows local market update for Middlesex County, New Jersey. Let's look at single family homes and key metrics. New listings, closed sales, days on market until sale. They are a little bit lower this year, in January of this year, than in January of last year. But like I said, the proof is in the pudding. So look at this. Median sales price. Last year in January, it was $465,000. Now in this January of this year, $490,000. So the median sales price went up by 5.4%. Not down like you were predicting. It went up, right? Then percent of list price received, meaning we have the asking price, and then we have what the buyers are paying for the property. Last year in January, it was 100%. Okay, this year in January, it was 103%, meaning people were willing to pay more than the asking price. Inventory of homes for sale, and this is a huge one. Look at this number. Last year in January, it was 1,168 homes for sale in January, and this year it's only 797 homes. Guys, this is a 31.8% decline in the numbers of homes that are coming on the market. And the buyers, we have more and more buyers. Okay. And one last very important metric here is months supply of inventory. Last year it was 2.5. And this year it's 2.1 months supply, meaning that this year in January, February, we have much stronger sellers market in New Jersey than we had last year. So all of you who said that this is not going to happen, quite opposite is going to happen, this is not happening. We are in an even stronger sellers market nowadays than we were a year ago. We have many more buyers, but fewer listings, which is great for sellers. By the way, if you're thinking about selling, now is a perfect time, because on every single property that we are listing, we are receiving multiple offers, bidding wars galore. So call me if you have questions or you need a free estimate of the home. And this year it's 2.1 months.